up, guys? Blake and Ty here, and you guys have obviously seen this. This is the Airsoft p99 that we did tabletop review of, and today we're going to do the shooting test and field stripping of this. So first we'll get in with the field stripping. So Ty, you want to hold the camera?
Yes. Sorry about that.
Okay, so basically, first you always want to take out the mag, of course. Make sure the chamber's empty. And then there, see this part here? You're gonna have to pull this down. It's a little hard using my fingernails. I've got a pocket knife that I could use though. And you're gotta get on both sides, and then the slide should pop forward, okay? Take it off.
So now your gun should look like this. Your gun should be all weird looking and like halfway. So yeah.
Take the slide lock off.
Slide lock.
Don't need
Then
that anymore.
You've got all these and the slide. This is your the slide rod, recoil spring, actual spring, and this is a little difficult to remember, but if you're gonna get these mixed up, always remember that the wider, more tubular one is the actual spring, and this is your piston here. Then got your barrel and air chamber. So that's basically that. And then put it back together. Gotta make sure that the large notch,
Okay, this is the important part.
the large notch is facing upwards. Okay, slide that in there. Then put the real spring side there.
Yeah. So.
Okay, and then recoil spring and slot rod. I get that. This is a little difficult to do on camera.
Yeah,
because I'm trying to make it so you guys can see it
and understand it. Sorry, you see I'm terrible at this.
Yeah. I can field strip this thing blindfolded in like 3 minutes.
Whoa, really?
I timed myself, yeah.
Dude. Then
just slide the slide back on. Of course, if you're like me, you're not smart enough to figure out how to slide it on. And you pull it back, and then lock that piece back. Well, first you gotta put your slide lock on. Of course, I forgot that, but that's fine. And basically, that's how you field strip it. And then, actually, we're gonna make a separate shooting video.